Okay guys, it's review time! We're gonna find out if this product is Queenie approved. Am I into it? Or am I gonna tell y'all, do not even waste your money, don't deal with this? Let's find out.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Hello my Hive Tribe, it's Queenie Urbane and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I have my most exciting video yet. I am so excited for this product, eyelash glue, that I've literally been seeing all over TikTok, and I was like, yo, I have to get this because you know we're in the business of saving money. If we have this amazing eyelash glue that claims to allow your eyelashes to stay on for up to a week, that is going to change the game for everyone. Whew. Let me dial it back because a lot of high energy going on. I am so excited for this product, you guys. This product is from Zos QOQ, which stands for quality over quantity. So Zos quality over quantity. This is a black business owner on TikTok, and she's been making content where she has been wearing her eyelashes underwater, splashing it, things like that, to really show that her glue is on point, baby. And so I have to try that. Right now I'm just unpackaging for you guys.
I believed everything we had was last. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Young and naive to...
Okay you guys, so I'm coming to you all barefaced. As you can tell, mama just only has her eyebrows done and nothing else. What we're gonna do right now is play a TikTok video from the brand, the owner wearing the eyelashes. Okay.
Doing my own lash extensions at home. I will never pay $90 plus for extensions again. Easy application and stays for 7 days. This glue is hypoallergenic and waterproof. So pretty.
Hypoallergenic, waterproof. Okay. Okay. We are going to test out those claims right now. I am so excited.
That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need.
Okay guys, the lashes are now on. They do look like individual lashes, honestly. This is how it would look if I got a deep set or a volume set with my lash tech, and I know because I've done it before, so it definitely looks very realistic. I am going to live my life, continue on with my week, and check in on you guys a week from now and let you know how I feel about these lashes. I'll check in with you guys later. Okay guys, so this is the real test. These are the lashes. I blew them with a blow dryer just to make sure they're fully dry, and then I'm about to go under some water and let's see if the lashes come off, if they still stay. If not, whatever, I'll just go get my lashes done. But I really want to see if this works because I am always down to save money. Oh my god, you guys, so I just got out the water. These are how the lashes look now. I just came from under the water. It's still the first day. Honestly, just because it did that, I wouldn't even be mad if it doesn't last a full week, but I would love that. So it's already proven itself, guys. It's already. These are the lashes, day 2. They are still on and still going strong. I have no issues so far. Hey you guys, it is day 4 of testing out the lash glue, and it is still on. The lashes is still on. Now the inner corners have lifted It's because of how I applied the lashes as well as how I've been maintaining it. As you guys know, if you are subscribing to my channel, I sleep on my face, which has caused me a lot of issues, but it's just been something I've been doing my whole life and really hard for me to not do. Like, it's just unconscious at this point. So when I sleep on my face, I mostly push in on the inner corners, so they're lifting up, and then I didn't even apply the inner corners the best because of like how much my eyes was tearing. So I don't want to not say they aren't doing what they're supposed to do based off of the inner corners, because I specifically have a lot of problems with my inner corners of my eye. I bother my inner corners so much. It's very annoying, so I thought and hoped that this would solve that problem. Like, this part is also a problem for me typically, the edges, right? The edges is usually a problem, but they're not lifting a single bit. But when I was putting on the lashes, I didn't tear on the edge of my eye like I usually do. But the lashes are literally still on. Okay, hi guys, it is day 7, and as you can see, I took the lashes off. I did take them off last night. I think it was just time up for the lashes in terms of the band was not in the best condition. The lashes were able to come off, but they did last basically a full week, so wow. And this is the final review for the Zoe's QOQ Quality Over Quantity Eyelash Glue. I am so excited to give my final thoughts, so let's just dive it all in. I 100% love this eyelash glue. It's so easy. The application process, it literally lasts for a full week. Like, that's crazy. And then it's just so easy to reapply again. I already have a new eyelash set on. This time I didn't do 2 sets of lashes, I only did 1. These are the eyelashes I have on right now on my eyes. Delivery was super quick. It took less than a week to get to me, so I give a Queenie approval on delivery. Queenie approved on the claims. They have proved their point to me. They have proved themselves. They do exactly what they're claiming to do. Overall, the quality of the product gets a thumbs up from me. Packaging gets a thumbs up from me, and I give this product a 10 out of 10. I would absolutely recommend, if you're looking to save money and you really love your eyelash extensions, you don't want to give it up, and you just really, in this economy with this recession going on, want to keep your coins to yourself. This is not sponsored in no way. I saw this product on TikTok and I said, oh my god, I have to review this. I have to try it. I thank you all so much for watching this video and sticking through all the way to the end. This product gets Queenie approved. I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye!
That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend.